Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reactivate your account on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this Help Center article because my account is not suspended, so there really isn't any way for me to show you how you can unsuspend it, so I'll be showing you guys how you can reactivate it using this official documentation by Etsy. Now, your account might be suspended for several cases. You will get an email by Etsy why your account was suspended, if it was, or even if it's been put into vacation mode by Etsy themselves, which you cannot manually disable. Not exactly sure how you would disable that vacation mode. More than likely just logging in and being kind of active on your account will put it out of vacation mode, but during that all your billing will be paused, your ads will be paused as well, and your listings will be taken off the search. Now, if your account has been temporarily or permanently suspended, you can also message Etsy to ask for help and to ask them how you can resolve this issue. If you're permanently suspended, it will say that you are permanently suspended, and you can appeal that suspension once you resolve the issues that led to it. And to resolve some issues for your suspension, for example, if you have an overdue bill, you just have to pay that bill and you should be good. For a missing taxpayer ID, you'll be put into suspension and it will be automatically reinstated once you add your taxpayer ID. For missing bank accounts and shops, you will add your bank account again, and after the first sale, once the deposit is made, you will also get the account back. Pretty much the same with anything else. Unfinished bank account verification in your shop, just verify it and you should be good. Problems with identification verification, you can send your verification again and again. You should have your issue resolved soon. Same with seller info confirmation and repeat policy violations. When it comes to policy violations, you are completely at the mercy of Etsy if they'll reactivate your account or not. More than likely, you won't get your account back if they are repeated policy violations, so keep in mind the policy and make sure to, well, stay with it and follow it so that you don't get suspended. Other than that, what you can do when you're suspended, you can access your accounts using the web browser, send messages, view your cases, and resolve open cases, etc., etc. And once you resolve all your cases, you will get your account back. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.